Ever wondered what makes up a substance at the atomic level? Understanding how to express the composition of compound is crucial in chemistry. Today, we are going to talk about empirical and molecular formulas. At the end of this video, you'll be able to distinguish between the two, understand their significance in chemistry. Let's get started. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting science content. In today's video, we will explore empirical and molecular formulas, what they are, how to determine them, and why they matter in the world of chemistry. So grab your notebooks and let's break it down. Let's start with empirical formulas. An empirical formula is the simplest whole number ratio of atom of each element in a compound. It gives us a basic idea of the composition without providing the exact number of atoms present in the compound. Here are some key points to remember. Empirical formula represents the simplest ratio of elements in a compound. For example, glucose, which is 66H12O6. The empirical formula is CH2O. The ratio of carbon to hydrogen to oxygen is 1 to 2 to 1 respectively. So now, how do we determine empirical formula? Step 1, find the moles of each element in the compound. Step 2, divide each mole value by the smallest number of moles calculated. Step 3, multiply to get whole numbers if necessary.